Hey lads, TechScanning here. In less than a week, Realme will unveil its gaming series smartphone GT Neo 5 with the world's fastest 240-watt fast charging support. However, this is not the only reason that makes Realme GT Neo 5 so special, but also its unique design that is just revealed by the official promo video. And we can say that Realme is somewhat inspired by the last year's success Nothing Phone 1. So, the most noticeable thing that the Realme GT Neo 5 will feature RGB LEDs in a rectangular shape on the rear panel. Actually, these LEDs have a pretty good use case and provide different indications. Like when the battery goes below 20%, the LEDs will turn red, and above the 20% they will remain purple. Not just the battery, the LEDs will also indicate incoming calls and messages. What is more interesting, as seen in the video, RGB light unit will grow different lighting effects when playing games, and I think this will look cool, especially when playing shooting games. Let me know what you think about this design below in the comment section. The Realme GT Neo 5 will include two models, one with the record-breaking 240-watt fast charging with 4600 mAh battery, while the other one with a 150-watt fast charging speed and 5000 mAh of battery capacity. Being gaming series handsets, gladly Realme doesn't neglect the camera department. So in the 3-camera setup, the 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 with optical image stabilization will serve as the main camera, which is quite an impressive and popular sensor seen on many recent devices like OnePlus 11, Oppo Find N2 and N2 Flip, and soon there will be more. The other sensors will include 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel macro and 16-megapixel front cam. Both Realme GT Neo 5 models will sport a 6.74 inches AMOLED 1.5K resolution display, and it will have a high 144Hz refresh rate display, which is ideal for a smooth gaming experience. Further, for the chipset, there will be a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is just a step down from the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Anyway, I have already covered a video on Realme GT Neo 5 specs, so check that out too. The phone will unveil on the 9th of February in China, while its global launch will take place later this month at Mobile World Congress. So what you are most excited about, the design or the fastest 240-watt fast charging speed? Share your thoughts below in the comment section and do consider subscribing to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.